definitely of interest. I think, how on earth does that do that?
Beautiful.
Oh my God. You maintain this yourself?
Yes, yeah. I go to meetings. A friend of mine runs a car club at Blackbush
All right.
on Sunday. It's the last Sunday of the month.
Yeah.
So I drive it. I live in Coffee Beach Road round the corner here, so I drive it up to Blackbush. And a friend said, get in the damn thing and drive it. I said, what you alright? I said, yeah.
A dream.
What sort of capacity is the
Wood.
engine?
The engine's 1098cc.
Quite big, actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good old plug. Keep that polished.
Yes, a lot of brass on, Lego, polishing up. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's a good hand, yeah.
Excuse me. Is that wood across there?
Yeah, it's a hickory axle.
What a lovely machine.
And the rear as well. The
They
rear's
use
got
wood.
the rear axle on the back.
They use metal.
Settling lights.
They use metal.
Sorry, I don't know. Well, wood was cheaper probably and lighter. For whatever reason, I don't know.
Hold on, sir. Lovely machine. You go.
Lovely, isn't it? Yeah, yeah, that's it. Switch for a start.
I've got an old 64 speed VW
Lovely.
You reckon this?
Yes, yeah. Yeah, most things are.
What year is this?
1909.
1909. One left, two left.
Yeah, oh my.
Yours all lived in the hood, wasn't it? I noticed you started anti-clockwise. We ran anti-clockwise. Thank you.
Back out.
Older than your car.